friends, this is your friend Ravindra Rao. We are back and we are back with our new series on mantras. Today we'll be starting with a series on mantras. Today being the first day of our new series. So this series we will be talking about mantras, various, some rare and quick and easy mantras which can be used to solve our small issues, small problems which we generally face. Correct? So, the flow of the video, the flow of the message would be the problems, the mantra associated with it, the chanting process, and the mala which is to be used in that. Okay? So, like what we generally do, starting with any new thing, any auspicious thing, any good activity, we take the name of Lord Ganesha and we start our activity. So today also we'll be talking about two problems, and we have two mantras for it, and both of the mantras are taken from Ganesh Ji's kitty, right? So first of the thing would be first problem is of obstacles, adchane. If you are facing any kind of an obstacle in your activity, अगर आपको आपका काम पूरा करने में कोई अड़चने आ रही है, किसी भी तरीके के अड़चने, कोई आपका काम पूरा नहीं हो रहा है, चाहे वो बिजनेस डील से लेके पर्सनल इश्यूज से लेके कोई भी हो सकता है. If you are facing any kind of an issues, any kind of an problems, obstacles related to your work, wherein it can be anything, personal, business, professional, this particular activity, this particular deal is stuck, any kind of a personal agenda which is not going through. So this is the mantra for you, a very easy mantra. The mantra goes, Vakratunda Mahakaya, Surya Koti Samaprabha, Nirvigna Kurume Deva, Sarva Karya Shu Sarvada. I guess many of you might have heard this mantra very regularly, but trust me, this is a very effective mantra. So, how are we going to utilize this mantra to our benefit? That is the question. इस मंत्रा को हम हमारे बेनिफिट के लिए यूज कैसे करें, सवाल, राइट? सो हियर गोज द प्रोसेस. तो उसकी प्रोसेस है, किसी भी बुधवार से आपको ये मंत्र की चैंटिंग शुरू करना है. यू नीड टू स्टार्ट द चैंटिंग ऑफ दिस मंत्र ऑन एनी गिवन वेडनेसडे. समय जो इस मंत्र के चैंटिंग के लिए यूटिलाइज करना है वो है मॉर्निंग में 6:30 बजे से लेके 9:30-10 बजे के बीच में. एनी टाइम बिटवीन मॉर्निंग 6:30 to 9:30. दिस इज द पीरियड व्हेन यू शुड जनरली चैंट योर मंत्रास. देयर आर सम मंत्रास इवन व्हिच आर नीड्स टू बी चैंट इन ब्रह्मकाल. ब्रह्मकाल इज बिटवीन 3:30 to 5:30 also. The timing goes, you need to check the panchang for it. But looking at our current daily routine, 6:30 is the time generally. If you do it at 6:30, that's nothing like it, best. So this was the mantra for removing any kind of an obstacle which you're facing. The process goes, you need to start it on any Wednesday, continuously chant it for 45 days. Okay, same time. The trick here is you need to maintain the time of it. Say for example, I am chanting this mantra every day at 7 o'clock sharp. So it will be very, very effective if I do the mantra chanting on every day at 7 o'clock itself. It should not be 7:10 or 6:50 or so. No. Yes, I did said that it is, the timing is between 6:30 to 9:30. But what I am requesting is, if you can pick any one time, it can be 7, 8, 9, whatever, 6:30, whatever, you decide that as per your comfort. But you need to maintain that time. If you are able to maintain that time, nothing like it, because the vibration, the mantra vibration the angels in and around you, the Devgan in and around you are listening to it. This is the routine which has been followed. So if you happen to go to any big temple in India, so there is a fixed time for aarti, there is a fixed time for mantra ucharan, there is a fixed time for every daily process which they follow, and they do it at that particular time. So there is a reason behind it. The energies work fantastic in that particular time. So this is the trick. Don't miss it. Even if you are not able to do it, no issues. It will still carry those vibrations. But the trick lies the timing of it. On which mala you need to do this? You need to do on a Rudraksh mala. It can be any Rudraksh mala, but the preferable one is Panchmukhi Rudraksh mala, 108 beads. Daily, just one mala. It will, once you get the flow, it will hardly take 10-15 minutes maximum, not more than that. And when you get the flow of the mantra, it will be like just 5-10 minutes, not more than that. So this is the flow. This is how it should be. Now, the second problem. To get quick results for any activity, you need to get quick results. You think this is the work, this is the activity which needs to be completed like very quickly, and I need a very quick results into it. मुझे बहुत जल्दी उसका result चाहिए. तो कौन सा मंत्र यूज करें? So the mantra says, Om Shipra Prasadaya Namaha. I am repeating the mantra, Om Shipra Prasadaya Namaha. Don't worry, both the mantras will be there in this comment section below. You can go through it and chant it with that. The process is same, starting from any Wednesday to the number of days, the count which I said earlier, with Rudraksh mala, of course. Okay. Does this affect any kind of in Kundli combination? It does. Okay. But being Ganesh mantra, it's anybody can do it. Rather, the question should be who all should do this mantra? I'll say anybody at all can do this mantras, right? So hope you find this information very effective and you can start utilizing it. Today being Sunday, you can plan it accordingly and do it. Okay, so this was about the mantras. I hope you like our videos. Please do share it, like it, and if you have any kind of inquiries, please put the questions in the comment section. I'll definitely try to answer it. Thank you so very much. This is your friend Ravindra Rao signing off for the day. Please be safe, please be happy. Thank you so much.